Hi, this is Scoggett, and this is the third part to my PBC Lone Star Beer Boneyard Stew video. And what I'm going to do is I've got some onions and garlic. What I've diced up the onions and I minced up the garlic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to saute them in this pan, this pot, Dutch oven. And I put some olive oil on there so it won't stick. And that's what we're going to do right now. It just sautés these up. Not going to take too long to saute them up. It's going to be pretty quick here. And that's the first step, is you want to saute these, make sure that they're good and sauteed up. Then we'll be adding our other ingredients. This pit barrel seems like it's pretty hot right now. So we're just going to go ahead and let that sit for a minute. While this is sauteing up, I want to give a few shout outs. Of course, to my brother Big Reggie over there in Las Vegas running that horse ranch. Alan R., a good friend Alan R. over there New York. Hope your dad's doing good, and I'm sure he is. Just want to give you a shout out. Curtis Fogelman, been with me forever. Want to give you a shout out. Dr. Southpole, you're another one. Gun Collector 007, my good friend, want to give you a shout out. The Suey, my friend, I want to give you a shout out. If I don't say your name, then I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And don't think I don't, because I do. You mean, oh, that's a hot fire there, I tell you. I can put my hand right there, and it's like already burning. I think these are done enough. So what I'm going to do is add the other ingredients to it. And what I'm adding is, got the beef broth. Going to go ahead and add that to the pot here. Like 6 cups of it. Then we're going to take our steak bone. Got a steak bone here. We're going to take it and add that to the party. Maybe put a little bit of salt and pepper in there. And then, of course, we got to have the star of the show, the Lone Star beer. It's going in there also. Like I say, if you don't have Lone Star, you can use any kind of beer you have. Any kind you like, it's all good. Give this a little stir here. Put the top on the pit barrel, and then we're going to let it go for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we'll be adding the other ingredients, and it's going to become a stew here. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.